Right now, on 16th of August, I'm checking for a property for my customer who would like to stay in Mahabalipuram, and he wants to stay at Kaldan Samudra. That's a property from 21st of August to 22nd of August for two adults and one child with age of 5 years. And check this out. Booking.com is giving a rate for a deluxe double room with balcony for 24,600. 20,000 plus 4,600 as tax. 24,600. Now you'll be shocked to see my rate. My rate, which you will get once you join and get access to like these multiple portals. Same Kaldan Samudra, Mahabalipuram. Same 21st of August to 22nd of August. Same two adults and one child. If you go down the, I'm not even taking the first room. Let's take Deluxe King Pool View Balcony, which is very similar to the room name here, Deluxe Double Room with Balcony, right? So I'm getting for 17,607 rupees. Same room, same dates, same number of passengers, 17,607 rupees. And the difference is 6,993 rupees. Even if you give the client 1,000 rupees discount, he's going to be happy because you're giving him a better rate, but you end up making almost 6,000 rupees as a profit just from a booking with a value for a one night room stay of 24,000. You earn 6,000 rupees. That's so much of profit. So utilize the process, join my program, get access to these portals, and build your business which you can run for your entire lifetime without any recurring monthly expense except for that one time fee that you end up paying me.